Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Anuja, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Lightning app in Salesforce. I will create an insurance management app for XYZ insurance company. So, creating a Lightning app is required for this company to ensure effective data management, improve client service, and streamline operations. Ultimately, utilizing Salesforce Lightning capabilities enhances productivity, customer satisfaction, and the overall effectiveness of insurance operations. So without any further delay, let's dive right into the today's topic. So for creating a lightning app, first of all, we will go to the setup. I'm already in the setup. So in quick find box, type in app manager and search for app manager. Click app manager. So after clicking app manager, you will see that many pre-built apps which are already in the Salesforce CRM, and you also can customize these apps. These all are editable, and you can customize these app according to your business needs, or if you want to create a new one, you also can create the new one. So today we will create the new app. So click new lightning app. After clicking new lightning app, here are some specifications, app details and branding. So for the app name, I will type the name of my app, which is insurance management. And the developer name, it would be auto populated. You don't need to type in this. Next is description. This is completely optional. If you want to guide your end user, but what's the purpose of creating this app and who are going to use this app, so you can specify here, you can describe here. For the app branding, if you have any logo or image for your business, so you can upload that image here, and you also can change the primary color. I will change this one, and this is the preview. This is the preview of your app when you will create this app and you will search this app for in the app launcher. So your app will look like this. Click next. So here are some app options. Here is the navigation and form factor, and these are the two navigation styles: standard navigation and the console navigations. So you have the option to choose between two navigation styles: standard navigation menu and the console navigation menu. Each style offers a different approach to how user interface with the app. This is the traditional navigation style that present tab and items in a standard menu format, either horizontally or vertically, and you can open only one record at a time. Whereas in the console navigation, it gives you 360-degree view of customers data, and you can open multiple records as a workspace tab. Console navigation provides a tab workspace similar to the layout of a console. It is designed to enhance the user productivity by allowing multiple items to be open simultaneously. So I will choose the standard navigation. In terms of supported factor, you can specify this particular application would be supported by phone or desktop. So I will select phone and desktop and phone. And for the setup experience, I will choose setup. You have two options here, setup and service setups. So I will choose the setup. And app personalization is in app personalization and settings. If I check this box, so the end user will not be allowed to personalize or change any sort of configuration or settings, or arrangement of the tab cannot be done if this is unable. So I'm not going to check any of these checkboxes. Click next. So for the utility items, here are the utility items. So if you would want any sort of productivity tools, like if you want collaborate, for example, if you want collaboration, you can choose Chatterfeed. And if you want any history of record to be made visible to the end user of, or any sort of notes that can be added by the user, So any productivity tool can be added if you add any utility item to the application. I'm not going to add any utility item. Click next. So in the navigation items, these are the item, these are the tab of the objects for which object tab I would want in my app. So I will choose two objects. First one is account, select account and press this arrow. Second one is contacts. So I have choose accounts and contacts. Click next. So this is about the data security. Here we are going to define which user in Salesforce in your org will have access to the applications. As this is the insurance management app, so any insurance manager or any insurance agent will have access to this app. So for the time being, as I am the system administrator and I'm going to use this application, so I will add the system administrator and save and finish. That's it. Here you can see our insurance management app is created, and if you want to search it in the app menu, in the app launcher, so you can also search here. Here it is. Click on insurance management app and you will see here we have added two tabs for the objects, accounts and contact. So these are the tabs for this app, and that's it for now. In my next video I will show you how to create a custom object in Salesforce, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.